Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. And now I am going to conduct your English for Today class for the students of class 7. And it's your second class. Dear students, our today's topic is from your EFT book, Unit 1, Lesson 3, Discussion, and you also have homework number 2. So let's try to read the lesson. Lesson 3 in house. Task A, listen and read the dialogue. Mother, Reza, will you come here please? Reza, yes mom. Mother, look, the kitchen is very untidy. I want to make it neat and tidy. Would you give me a hand? That means if Reza or whether Reza helps his mother asking that, okay? Then Reza, sure. Mother, could you take the pots and plates from the table and put them in the cupboard? Reza, okay. Mother, first I'll sweep the floor. Will you bring me a broom please? Reza, here it is. Mother, thank you. Now I am going to mop the floor. Could you get me a mop and bucket and some detergent? Reza, no problem. Here there. Mother, thanks dear. Reza, welcome. But this is a dialogue between Reza and his mother about helping her in kitchen work. But my question is that whether you help your mother or not for doing such kind of works. So I will request you to do such kind of work. Whether you do, that's good, and if you don't do, that's not good. Okay, let's come to task C. Match the sentences in the column A with suitable answers in column B. Some answers in B may match more than one question. That means we have to match this part with this part, and one answer may match with another. So let's read column A's words or sentences. Would you read the shopping list? Sorry, I can't. I have left my glasses in the study. And it also another answer. You may write, yes, I will. Okay. Will you go to market, please? For this case, you also write, yes, I will, or you may write what for. That means why I will go to market. Then number 3, will you buy me 1 liter of cooking oil, please? Then, yes, I will. That also would be answer. Okay. Then number 4, would you buy me some rice? Okay, how much? Then 5, would you need some money? No, thanks. I have enough with me. That means I have enough money with me, so I don't need to have any money. 6, would you like some tea? Yes, I would love to. Boys, in number 7, there is a mistake in your book. It would be, will you switch off the TV please? If the question was like this, that means will you switch off the TV please, then its answer would be why Rina is watching. That means although Rina is watching the television, so someone is not allowed to turn off it. But in your book, it was written that will you switch on the television please. But for that case, why Rina is watching, that would not match. Okay. So it would be will you switch off the TV please, then its answer would be why Rina is watching. Number 8, would you tell her to watch TV at 10 p.m? Its answer would be certainly I will do it. Dear students, you have a homework number 2. It would be homework number 2. It's about unit 1, lesson 3, task C. That means this one is your homework. Okay, boys, I think all of you have understood today's class, and will practice it at home more and more, and do the homework and submit the homework within the time, that means in next Saturday. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.